Hello, my name is Linden Ware from Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. I'm a demonstration to you the 2022 Tahoe, the seats, the lights, and the mirrors. If you notice, my hand is on the seat to go forward, the button to go back. Also, the same button that functions, you can go down and you can go up. And you got the second button for your back that you can left backwards, or you also left forward. And you got the round button that most people have a question about. This is the lumbar button for your back, to give your back more cushion in and more cushion out. Okay? Now, if you notice for the lights, most of the lights I set on auto. Okay, if you move auto, we go to regular lights. When you go to regular lights, that's the headlights that you have to turn on yourself. Go to the big bulb, that's a high beam, that's why it's bigger. Then if you want to shut the lights off completely, you go to the off button. Then shuts them off right there, okay? Now, from there, we're going to go to the mirror. Okay, if you notice the function over here, you got two mirrors. One far to your left is the driver's side. One far to your right is the passenger side. If I want to do the driver's side, it'll light up on the button. These little 4 stars you see are arrows, the direction which I want the mirror to go in. I want to go that way, I want to go that way, I want to go forward, I want to go back. Then if I want the passenger side mirror, I push it and it's also a light up. And if I want to go to the right, if I want to go to the left, if I want to go forward, I want to come in. That's the operation of the mirror. That's your safety function when you're driving the vehicle. Thank you. If you have any questions, call Linden at 815-469-2323, and my extension is 394. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.